Greetings everyone, I'm Stephen Lasmarias, editor of EETimes Asia, EETimes India, and EDN Asia. With me today at their headquarters at the Telecommunications Park in New Taipei City is Suwei Chang, President of TMY Technology Incorporated. Suwei, thank you very much for this opportunity.
Thank you. Hi everyone, I'm Suwei.
All right, yes. Suwei, can you please give us a brief background of TMY Technology?
Sure, no problem. So TMYTEK is actually founded in 2014 by me and my co-founder Ethan. So back to 2014, we already start doing the mmWave until today. But we found there is a very good opportunities for like a mmWave spectrum is 5G. And that is back to 2018. So back to 2018, we decide to start doing all the like fundraising and start hiring more people to increase our team. So and start from 2018, then until now we already have 70 people, and more than 50% are engineers because we are fabulous models. So we focus on all the design for the mmWave solution. So we actually provide all the mmWave solutions such as communication for 5G and satellite. And also we have some radar solutions. Yes.
All right. So you are the founder, co-founder of the organization, and also the president. Can you tell us? Tell us some of your activities here?
Okay. So yeah, like what I mentioned, Ethan and I, we are two co-founders, right? So, and my specialize is in the hardware development.
Okay.
Right, from antenna to system, even the chip design. And Ethan is very good for software development.
Okay.
So in the beginning, our combination is we can do the whole system from hardware to software. And of course, right now we have a good engineers teams right now, and we have the good leaders. So right now our role is more like business development, and also we need to decide what is the goal or what is the direction for the whole entire companies, and also trying to help our members to grow up and also to achieve our goal.
Okay. So Suwei, can you please tell us one or two of the biggest pain points that your customers are feeling today or experiencing?
I think the biggest one is the mmWave market is still slow, right? But I think it will come. It's just right now we still have some technical challenges for mmWave to be realized in our daily lives.
Right.
So we actually seen some pain point. So the biggest two is first is the cost.
Right.
How we can make the cost more friendly, and then everyone can use it. And the second thing is, since the mmWave frequency has larger path loss, so how can we improve the energy efficiency? This becomes very important. So I think these are the two biggest challenges in the market. And of course, there are some different challenges in different phase for R&D phase, or for the mass production phase, or for the mass deployment phase.
Yes. All right. So where does TMY Technology come in? How are you helping your customers, or how will you help your customers address those challenges?
Sure. Thank you. So I think, like I say, for 4 years ago, when we trying to find what kind of the problem or what kind of the a challenge we want to resolve, and what can we do the product, we found if people they want to do the phase array antenna or the beamforming technology, it's actually hard for them to do everything. For example, some people they might just doing the antenna design. Some people they might just doing the algorithm development. So back to 4 years ago, we decided to build tools, very good tools, which we call B-Box, the beamformer box. And we use that box, which is this one here. So we use this box to help our customers because it's very flexible. and then we can make them like within 5 minutes. Then they can start doing all the beamforming developments they want.
Yep.
So that's the first thing I think why we try to help, and also for the what we say the cost and also the energy, right? So right now we have some design proposals. We can reduce the antenna elements to keep, and while keeping the same output power, then we can increase the energy efficiency by leverage the gallium nitride compound semiconductors power amplify. So we have those kind of solutions to help our customers. Yes.
All right. So wait, what makes your products unique in the market?
Yeah. So first, for the tools right now, we are the first one to do this back to 4 years ago.
Right. Okay.
But right now we have already have some competitors, they want to join this game. But we found a very important and very key is how to help our customer to be success.
Yeah.
And how to help them, to have a better user interface. So in a simple way to describe this, can we make this very easy to use?
Yes.
So we put a lot of efforts. For example, customer, they can, if they try to do the programming, use our products, they can use Python, MATLAB, C#, C++. They can use any kind of the language to program our device. So that's the first thing in this product line. We becomes very unique is we make this very simple. And the second thing for a phased array antenna is if we want to integrate the gallium nitride power amplifier into the phased array antenna to reduce the size and then also increase the power efficiency, how to do the package, the antenna in package becomes very important. So in this technology, we work with DuPont. We're using the LTCC, the ceramic material. So we have the very good package technology and also very good material from DuPont. So that makes our solution very unique. And also we are not just doing the design, although we are the fabless model. But in Taiwan, we have very good supply chain here. So we actually provide our customer total solution. Not just provided by TMYTEK, also provided by our ecosystem partners.
Right.
So I think that makes us a very unique model here.
All right. So displayed here are some of your products, right? So you talked about the B box here.
Yes.
So what about the others? Maybe can you briefly mention them?
Yeah, sure. So B box, we just already defined it. And this is our UD box.
Okay.
So UD box is a up-down converter box. So also we found the mmWave equipment is very expensive, right? And normally you might already have a sub 6 gigahertz low frequency equipment, but how can you upgrade those equipments to mmWave range?
Right.
So what we do is we build this up-down converter box, and this is very wideband. It can cover from 18 to 44 gigahertz. So, and with a very cost-effective price, and then we can help our customer to upgrade their equipment. So I think that is also save some, energy and waste for the earth. So this is another our UD box, and also the one I mentioned, the ceramic LTCC phased array antenna is like this panel. So this is the we already have 16 by 16 antennas on this panel. So it's 256 antenna elements, and the size for this is like a 12 centimeter by 12 centimeter. So I believe this is the largest single LTCC panel in the world right now. And then the last one I want to introduce is this is our 60 gigahertz and 77 gigahertz radar module. So we also build this kind of module and try to help some of our customers to integrate the radar to achieve their goal.
Right. Okay. So Su Wei, what are the opportunities that are you seeing in the Southeast Asian market, the ASEAN?
Yes. So I think first we can see the market in Southeast Asia is actually growing very fast, right? For the manufacturing production line is moving toward, so which means the economy is growing, and also people they requires the communication. The needs is also growing right now. So we can see there are a lot of opportunities, and also some countries it's not it's very so many islands, and how to make those different islands to be connected. I think that is very important. So, and it comes the opportunities for the 5G communication and also the satellite communication. So that is what we see. There are very good opportunities right there.
All right. Can you mention some of the sectors that you think will be the market drivers in relation to maybe your business there?
Okay, sure. So for millimeter wave frequency, I think right now still people are talking about the 5G, the mobile communication. And of course it will come a little bit later. But now we are seeing some dates to come is around 2025. So still have couple years. But satellite is very hot right now, right? So we also build those ground terminals, and also the terminals can be installed on the airplane or the maritime or the cars. So those are, I think, very hot topic. And the other thing is related to the automotive industry, right? So right now we are moving to the EV cars, and we need more and more sensors, like radar sensors, to detect not only the speed or the distance. Also, when you open the door, you want to detect some obstacles around your car, and you also want to detect your vital sign when you drive in, or the passenger's vital sign. So we see there are so many opportunities for different sectors, and also for vital sign this topic, it can also be leveraged to medical or house care, this kind of applications.
But are you seeing any challenges?
Yes, I think you see TMYTEK, we are a solution provider. So to build a solution is not that hard for us, but how to do the business for the different vertical domain is very critical and very challenging, because every sector has its domain knowledge, right? And if we want to cut in the different vertical domain, is actually quite challenging for us. So what we're trying to do, what we can do is we found partners. And for those different vertical domains, and then we can collaborate with them. Then they can take care of the for example, the market side or the customer service. And our role, we can just be the technology enabler, right? We help them to build in or integrate the technology they want. Then they can do the rest of the work, which is they already familiar. So I think that's the challenges, but we already find some ways to cut in.
All right. So what is your outlook for the semiconductor or electronics manufacturing industry in the region?
Yes, I think semiconductor is right now is also a very hot topic right now, right? You see TSMC, they have foundries in US. So that is the very fundamental for all the technologies. So we can see semiconductors still play a very important role. We collaborate with Win Semiconductor. It's a compound semiconductor foundry. So, and our phase array antenna, we integrate the compound semiconductor. So that I think still is the driver for all the different technology, and is the key if we want to make a really a cost effective or the energy effective solutions. Right.
So what product technology or what product development or technology trend should we expect from TMYTEK over the next year?
Okay, so I think first, for our developing tools, we will have a good news very soon to be announced. It's like a global collaboration with very important partners.
Okay.
And we trying to build a community, right? So more and more people use our products, our tools, then how can we help each other to develop more solutions? I think that's the first thing our customer can expect.
Right.
And the second thing is for the phased array antenna is really important. So like I mentioned in the beginning, how to have a cost-effective and energy-effective solution becomes very important. And so we are trying to build those solutions and have a rate. For example, we can reduce like a 90% size and antenna element.
Yeah.
That's our goal. And also we can increase 500% energy efficiency with integrate all the gallium nitride power amplifier. So that is those products are under developing right now. Yeah.
All right. Okay, great. Thank you very much, Su-Wei. Do you have any final message out there to our viewers?
Yes, so I think, so first I want to thank you for these opportunities to let me to introduce TMYTEK. So we are very open mind company, and we are very good for the mmWave solution and system integration. And we are looking for more partners for different regions or different vertical sectors. So if you need some good partners like TMYTEK, so please find us. Yeah, thank you.
All right, great. Thank you very much, Su-Wei. Again, thank you for the opportunity to be here at your office, your headquarters in Taiwan.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's Su-Wei Chang, President of TMY Technology. I'm Stephen Las Marias. Thank you very much for watching.